Rolling down the highway, hear the engine scream. V-twin thunder, living out the dream. 1,783 cc's, fire in the veins. Torque at 3,200 makes a shaft drive the only way to go. 240 rear wide, gripping every turn. Suzuki's muscle cruiser, feel the power burn. Comfort and the speed, a perfect ride in sync. Shifting through the gears, faster than you think. Roar of the Boulevard, blazing through the night. Iron and adrenaline under neon light. Aggressive styling with a heart so pure. On the M109r, freedom's the only cure. Transmission, shifting through the thrill. Every twist and corner, giving you the chills. Sport bike power, wrapped in cruiser's frame. Muscle meets the road, redefining fame. 240 real wide, gripping every turn. Suzuki's muscle cruiser, feel the power burn. Comfort and the speed, a perfect ride in sync. Shifting through the gears, faster than you think. Roar of the Boulevard, blazing through the night. Iron and adrenaline under neon light. Aggressive styling with a heart so pure. On the M109r, freedom's the only cure. Feel the pulse, the engine song, where the road is yours and days are long. Cruise with power, blazing trails ahead. This is the ride where legends are bred. Roar of the Boulevard, blazing through the day. Iron and adrenaline under neon light. Aggressive styling with a heart so pure. On the M109r, freedom's the only cure. On the wheel, the world unfolds. M109r, a storyboard.